Hi, everyone. Today we are going to learn the verb to be. This verb is very important because we use it all the time in English. We use to be to talk about who we are, where we are, how we feel, the time, the weather, our age, and jobs or professions. In English, the verb to be changes with the subject. Listen.
I am. I am. I am a student.
You can also use its contracted form, I'm. I'm 20 years old.
You are. You are. You are my friend.
You can also use its contracted form, you're. You're from Spain.
He is. He is. He is a doctor.
You can also use its contracted form, he's. He's my brother.
She is. She is. She is happy.
You can also use its contracted form, she's. She's a teacher.
You can use it is to name animals or things. It is a chair. To talk about the weather. It is raining. Or to tell the time. It is 5 o'clock.
You can also use its contracted form, it's. It's 5 o'clock.
We are. We are. We are friends.
You can also use its contracted form, we're. We're at the park.
You are. You are. You are students.
You can also use the contracted form, you're. You're at the university.
They are. They are. They are Europeans.
You can also use the contracted form, they're. They're coworkers. To form a negative sentence, we add not after the conjugation of the verb. In this way, we have
I am not, or its contracted form, I'm not. You are not, or its contracted form, you aren't. He is not, or its contracted form, he isn't. She is not, or its contracted form, she isn't. It is not, or its contracted form, it isn't. We are not, or its contracted form, we aren't. They are not, or its contracted form, they aren't.
to make a question, we change the order. The verb to be comes first, so we have
Am I? Are you? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are we? Are they?
let's play a game. Complete the sentence with the proper form of the verb to be. Ready?
Are they from Mexico? It is sunny. I'm very happy. We are not at home.